Hello everyone, I'm academician Dr. Lilia. Welcome to Science and Me YouTube channel. The mission of my channel is to introduce you to popular science and to create a popular science encyclopedia on YouTube. We are back with an interesting popular science video. I would be very happy if you support me by subscribing to my channel and writing a comment. If you are ready, let's start the video. The love potion in your brain. Decoding the chemistry of relationships. Love, that powerful emotion that has inspired poets, musicians, and maybe even a questionable text or two. But beneath the fluttering hearts and butterflies in the stomach lies a fascinating dance of chemicals in our brains. Love, it turns out, is as much biological as it is emotional. The infatuation ignition. The spark usually starts with dopamine, the feel-good chemical. When we meet someone who piques our interest, dopamine surges, triggering feelings of pleasure and intense excitement. Think of it as your brain rewarding you for potentially finding a good mate. This dopamine rush is what fuels the initial infatuation stage, where you can't stop thinking about your newfound crush. Norepinephrine joins the party. Alongside dopamine comes norepinephrine, another hormone that gets released during moments of excitement and novelty. It fuels that nervous energy you might feel around your crush, making your heart race and palms sweat. Together, dopamine and norepinephrine create that intoxicating feeling of new love jitters. The bonding boom. As the relationship progresses, the chemistry evolves. Oxytocin, often referred to as the cuddle hormone, takes center stage. Physical touch, like holding hands or cuddling, triggers oxytocin release, which fosters feelings of trust, bonding, and attachment. This is why we feel closer and more secure with our partners after those snuggly moments. Vasopressin enters the chat. Oxytocin isn't alone in the bonding department. Vasopressin, another hormone, also plays a role in creating long-term attachments. It's particularly important for men, influencing feelings of paternal bonding and pair bonding. The chemistry of heartbreak. The flip side of love's coin is heartbreak, and it has its own chemical signature. When a relationship ends, dopamine and oxytocin levels plummet, leading to feelings of sadness, loneliness, and withdrawal. The stress hormone cortisol can also spike, contributing to anxiety and fatigue. It's not just chemicals. While these chemicals play a crucial role, it's important to remember that love is a complex experience. Our past experiences, values, and social influences all shape how we perceive and experience love. The chemistry is the foundation, but our thoughts, behaviors, and choices build the love story on top of it. Understanding the chemistry of love can offer valuable insights. Appreciate the infatuation phase. The intense feelings of the beginning stages are driven by biology, and they naturally mellow over time. Focus on building long-term bonds. Activities that promote physical touch and intimacy can help strengthen the oxytocin and vasopressin connection. Seek support after heartbreak. The hormonal shifts can be tough, so be kind to yourself and surround yourself with loved ones during this challenging time. Love is a beautiful tapestry woven from biological threads and emotional experiences. By understanding the science behind it, we can appreciate its complexities and nurture the connections that truly matter. Dear friend, I hope you benefited from the video. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoy content like this, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell to stay updated with new videos. Also, if you liked it, be sure to leave a like and share your thoughts in the comments. Looking forward to seeing you again with new videos. I can't wait to bring you more knowledge from the enchanting world of science.